Hi guys, how you doing? This is Q coming to you from DIY Genesis, and today we're back in our fitness website. And I know if you remember from previous tutorials, I've taught you guys how to build this fitness website. We went through all the logo updates, the color customizations, and all that. Well, the next stage in this is how do we generate some income from this fitness website? Well, one of the best ways to go about doing that is to set up your e-commerce. Well, you say, well, Q, how do I set up my e-commerce? Well, you can do that very simply with the WooCommerce plugin. Again, that's the WooCommerce plugin. So WooCommerce is just a WordPress plugin that allows you to have some very powerful e-commerce capabilities, which is basically simply saying customers can come to your site, they can see your products, they can see what packages you offer, and they can select one of those packages and pay you online right then and there. So that's pretty powerful. So let's jump into the back office and kind of see how this is done. So we go to the dashboard for WooCommerce, and there it is, WooCommerce. Now we hit the dashboard. Now I've already taken the liberty of going through the setups here so to save some time, and we've already got that done and that's set. I've also created a coupon. So if you wanted to create a coupon where you give somebody 10% off, I've already done that as well. And of course, you can see there's orders. You can keep track of your orders, reports. There's settings here. There's additional extensions. And then we're going to jump over here into the products. So I've already created us a bootcamp product. We're going to charge $30 for that product. And let's go and edit for that so you can kind of get an idea what that is. Now, I just wrote a simple little write-up, but you can get quite elaborate in here on your write-up. You can also add in your images and product tags. So right here, you can set product image. And if you needed a gallery, you can set up product gallery images. All of those things are available to you in this setup. And right here, again, you can see all of these different items here. In this case, we don't have a physical product. We just have a boot camp that we're offering for our fitness website. So we can easily set that up, which is great. And then we're going to jump back and say, let's go back to our, we'll jump back and see our homepage. Now, when we look at our homepage here, you can see immediately right here, when we hit shop, boom, there's our product right there. And then we can see there's an add to cart, and then you can view the cart, and it's ready to go. And I already had something in their cart before, so now it's saying $60 instead of $30. So I can also apply the coupon. If I wanted to put the coupon in, this is where they would apply it. But I want to update the cart right now just back to 1 so you can see the $30. And of course, we can clear anything out of the cart that we want as well by hitting that. And then we return to shop. And so let me go back and show you where that is. So when we look at this and we see the setup, we go appearance and we can go to menus. And once you set up WooCommerce, it automatically throws the shop page in here. And so in this example, I'm going to go to the after header menu, hit select, and you'll see I've added shop. So I check this here and I hit add to menu, and it popped this over in here. And I'll just show you just so you can see. We don't need the extra one, but that's how it works. And this neat little CSS code that I typed in for this is called right. And that's what makes it go towards the right. So I hit save menu, of course, and then when we actually go out to our main site, we hit the refresh to go to the home page. We see shop off here to the right, and that's why we get it over here on the right, because we did that CSS style. And that's it. The shop's ready to go. So guys, I hope this tutorial was valuable for you. I hope you see how powerful this can be for you if you're really serious about running your own fitness website, or you know a client's interested in doing something like that, but they also need that e-commerce piece to be able to generate that income for their business. Then now you know, here's the powerful part of this, and hopefully this will help you guys get going and move it in that direction. So again, guys, please make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, of course, and then hit that notification bell so you guys will be the first ones to get notified when we come out with new videos and new tutorials. It will come to you guys first. So guys, it's been a pleasure. Thank you once again, and this is Q coming to you from DIY Genesis.